A nation that was recently the murder capital of the world has rebranded as a premier safety hub in the Americas. This is the grounded reality of the El Salvador transformation. This drop in crime follows a massive military-backed crackdown on street gangs, a shift that fundamentally altered the country's social landscape. Following the crackdown, the state introduced a dual currency system, making Bitcoin legal tender alongside the US dollar. Today, cryptocurrency is integrated into the local economy, accepted at standard neighborhood kiosks via the Lightning Network. But we need to look past the viral headlines. We're evaluating whether this is a functional haven for expats or a complex experiment in a developing nation. This data shows the trade-off. Crime rates have reached historic lows, but global interest is simultaneously driving up the cost of living. Successfully navigating this environment requires identifying which economic bracket you actually occupy. The government has structured the current economy to attract external capital rather than supporting local budget job seekers. If you plan to live here, your utility depends on bringing money into the country rather than trying to build a career within the local market. The digital nomad visa requires a stable external income of $1,460. This starkly contrasts the local minimum wage of $304. While granting residency, it strictly prohibits taking jobs within the local economy. Central San Salvador housing ranges from $450 to $600 for a one-bedroom. It's affordable for remote workers, but remains out of reach for those on a local salary. Moving here without a foreign income source creates an immediate financial bottleneck. With a remote USD or Euro salary, it becomes a viable relocation option. Coastal towns like El Zante or Bitcoin Beach operate as the center of this new tech culture. The draw for many is the tropical climate and world-class surfing, with the best outdoor conditions running from November through April. The geography is defined by more than 20 active volcanoes packed into a relatively small territory. However, these tech-focused coastal zones carry premium rent prices that significantly exceed the national average. You can control your daily overhead by eating locally. Traditional pupusas cost between 50 cents and $1. While basic sustenance is cheap, a high-end lifestyle in the coastal surfing zones requires a significant tech-tier budget. Tech founders are drawn by specific tax incentives that eliminate liability on foreign income and cryptocurrency gains. Living within this system means relying on the Lightning Network for daily payments. But relying on a digital asset introduces immediate risk. Your monthly expenses are permanently tied to the volatility of the crypto market. The financial upside is significant for digital nomads, provided they have a high risk tolerance and a deep understanding of crypto infrastructure. Do you generate your income remotely in US dollars or Bitcoin? If not, you will face severe friction. The high security lifestyle isn't built for local job seekers or budget expats. If yes, you qualify for long-term visas and foreign tax exemptions. You must also be comfortable living within a high-security state, where order is maintained by a visible military presence. The government has engineered El Salvador as a sanctuary for external digital wealth, moving away from its history as a low-budget destination. El Salvador rewards those who arrive with capital, offering a level of safety and financial freedom that was once impossible here. It is a juxtaposition of volcanic black sands and a rapidly expanding digital economy. Do the tax benefits and security outweigh the rising costs for you? Let us know in the comments. Our next investigation takes us to Equatorial Guinea, the Spanish-speaking oil kingdom of Africa. Subscribe to stay updated on the data-driven reality of global relocation.